What's he doing? What? What's he doing? Is he Zach? Huh? Oh,
Go get him, Chewy.
He says, I like his seed. I like his seed. I haven't got any seeds. Boy, he don't forget either. I went out there. I took the cup out of here. Watch this. Oh, he's gonna be sassy. Did you want a seed? Is that Zach, huh? Where's Zach? Hi, Zach. Hi, Zach. You gotta look out the window.
Chewy, where's Zach? Where's Zach? Not outside, he's in the cage, silly.
That's funny how he likes him.